Hello guys. Hello guys. I hope you guys could hear me. Hello. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So this is the first live stream from my new house. Yeah. Hope you guys could hear me. Let me check, and then we'll do the analysis and paralysis on charts. Hello guys. Yeah. I think everything is fine. There are a couple of scenarios I'm watching right now, considering how market is performing overall on a bigger picture time frame. Overall on a bigger picture time frame, if we could see in here, I wanted to go to 4 hour time frame, by the way. Let's keep an eye on 1 minute time frame. Hello guys. I hope you guys could hear me. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, this is the first live stream. Yeah. So, just keeping an eye on 1 minute time frame. Um, Market open at this range, 9:30. It was trading in here. Um, just invert this 5 minute time frame really gap. When it got to this week, I was like, can I go for a short? I'll be putting my stop loss above this high, risking way too much. For what reason? Just this 15-minute upper valley gap, or do you think it has a potential to be disturbing this low? Not sure. I have highlighted this low considering this low is this previous 4 hour time frame low. And just on a bigger picture time frame, I'm completely blind which way market will go from here. Considering we have been trading inside this weekly fair value gap for way too long, last 2 to 3 weeks. Look at these candles, man. Last 2 to 3 weeks, it has been trading like crazy. Same range, not going up. 2 3 weeks, same range, not going up, not going inside this monthly fair value gap high, and this daily weekly fair value gap. This weekly high is a weekly fair value gap low. These kind of days you have to be try your best to avoid and not to be trading any kind of, not to be pushing the buttons actually. And if you could see in here, considering I was already anticipating this kind of per second. We can anticipate from the market. Look at this going down. Difficult to get into any kind of trading here, man. We have to keep an eye on 1 minute time frame. I will do so in this live stream. That definitely I prefer to be in 1 minute time frame, and sometimes I do go to 1 or 5 minute time frame as well. When market is which is really choppy, and I go to 5 minute time frame when I'm anticipating a volatility. So I remain on 1 minute time. So 9:30. Actually, this is the today's 31st of December, last day of this year going on. Tomorrow will be a new year coming up. I'm in a more of like anticipating already the way it has been trading on daily time frame at this range, remain sideways, choppy. We can anticipate a complete choppy projection from here. Overall, Overall, we are bearish on charts. We should not deny this that we have been after all-time high going down. We have kept the weekly fairly gap still open. Create higher low on weekly time frame. This is the previous weekly high. This is the this week high as well. Failed to go above the previous week high as well. And if you go to same thing on daily time frame, this is last week high. This is this week high. Market failed to go above last week high as well. We have all of those lows that could be the reason for the market to be bearish. Cannot deny this. Overall, we should have to be bearish, but this is a range we are trading in. The first possibility we have to be anticipating or expecting from the market to be bearish from here. be going down, not to go above this side, this week high, which is this one, and then be bearish from here. Look at this, it's went down. So I was just anticipating at this range. Still, it is possible. It has not gone down below this low. This is previous 4 hour time frame low. We'll go into that as well. If you could just see in here, I wanted to go to more of a like remain on bigger picture time frame for a while. If you go to this range, this is value high point of control and value area low of the range as well. Strong level of support. This is weekly fairly gap low as well. This is 4 hour time frame fairly gap as well. Yes, it is possible we are bearish on charts. We have been trading really sideways at this range. Market would have been aggressively bearish. It would have been already going down. It means it is not aggressively bearish. It could be bullish. It is possible it could be bullish from here, could disrupt the previous lows, then be bullish as well. Disrupting the previous lows means that it could disrupt these lows. This is a strong level of support. Maybe it has to keep those lows in play and then be bullish as well, which is also possible. We cannot deny this is the possibility as well. And if you go to the same thing on 4 hour time frame, as long as we are trading below this high, which is this week high and last week high as well, we have to be bearish on charts. I'm not at all confident on these previous lows on charts. I don't know. This may be our bottom. This may be our bottom, but I'm not confident on these lows. That's why I'm leaning bearish on the charts. But this is also a possibility because still holidays going on. Still the first week, couple of weeks, and on January as well, we can anticipate a slow, steady price action because it will take some time. There will be still holidays going on. People will coming back from their holidays. The new year will start. Everything will try to back on track after holidays. So we cannot deny this. A couple of weeks as well, January, February, first week of January, we can remain chop as well at this range. Choppy price action means it could remain inside this weekly fair value gap. This is a weekly fair value gap. It has been trading inside this weekly fair value gap for whole month, this month and end of November as well. Or it is possible it could remain inside this range as well. This is Monday high, and this is Tuesday. This is Tuesday low as well. Could remain inside as well at this range as well, which is also possible. As we're bearish, I'm leaning bearish, but I'm pretty much content with this as well. That this week, at least this week, maybe next week as well, we can anticipate more of like sideways and choppy price action from the market as well. This is also possible. And this is the concerning thing I am thinking about on charts right now. And if you go to all the way 4 hour time frame, I was just anticipating right now because this has been a bullish price action we have seen late in the night. Yesterday was bullish, and we have been come back inside this 4 hour time frame fair value gap. I was like, as we have hold this 4 hour time fair value gap, market should have to not to go below the 4 hour time frame lows and then try to bullish to disrupt the previous high and try to fill the 4 hour time frame gap as well. But it has, look at this, it has failed to go above, gone down, disrupt those lows, and now right now trading close to this previous 4 hour time frame low. So this is this previous 4 hour time frame major low. It has tab. This is the fair value gap as well. Just tab it. Just keep this fair value gap open. As long as we are trading above this low, we can anticipate. I'm anticipating right now a sideways or choppy price action inside this range. This is the high. This is the low. Considering the limit of time is not there on charts from the market to be aggressively bullish or aggressively bearish. And in that case scenario, it is possible it could hold this area, then try to bullish to disrupt those highs in this area and create another high low. It is possible that it could go to from here toward upper side, get high low, then try to go down. It could go down, then go up. Could It is unlikely to me from the market to be aggressively bearish all the way, knocking all of those highs. It is unlikely to me. Market could be aggressively bullish from here. Uh, Bullish or bearish from here, aggressively. So these are the possibilities right now I am anticipating or expecting for the market. It could perform on a bigger picture type. But I have to be pretty much content with this that it maybe none of those possibilities do played out because market has to remain choppy. That's why. This is also possible as well, we cannot deny. And on 1 hour time frame, if you could see, I was just watching this for 1 hour time frame gap. I was like, it has hold this area. Let's anticipate 1 hour time frame. Market is bullish, disrupting all of those highs, and failed in the 4 hour, but it has failed to do so. When it closed on 30-minute time frame in here, when it closed on 30-minute time frame candle, this candle, I was like, the bearish case scenario. I was thinking about this point. Maybe it has to keep this yesterday high in play. If it has to keep this yesterday high in play, it could we can anticipate a higher low at this range, and then anticipate a pullback toward low levels. And this is what we have seen from the market at this range. You just get a 30-minute time frame close. So we have to wait for the price action. That you have to wait for the price action to confirm that this could be your top. I cannot go for this is what I usually prefer to watch on market, that fail to go above the previous high, major highs or major lows, and then trade very close to those lows, fail to go above or below, and then I would be looking for anticipation of rejection and anticipating a top on shorter term time frame and looking for a short. But if you could see in here on 15-minute time frame, we have two candles. This is the candle we have just closed. After that, we went down, really did not give us on 5-minute time frame. This was way too aggressive. Just create this high and we just went down toward low levels, which is difficult trading. And you cannot, it is difficult to, yes, you can anticipate this could be our top, but at what point you will be looking to go for a trade on charts? This is 9:30, and it just on, yes, I do anticipate when it created this candle. I was like, it could be bearish. I'm already anticipating that we could be bearish as well. This could be our top. Should not have this stop loss could be above this high. And I was like, if it has to go down from here, what level I will be looking to for the market to be knocked off. I was like, this is this previous major 4 hour time frame low. Maybe it could be knocked off. I'm already anticipating market get lower high, then go up. If I go for a short, I'll be looking for 15-minute FFL gap, which isn't possible, may not be possible as well. But eventually, market do went down, disrupt this previous low as well. And if you could just see in here on 15-minute time frame, this is more of like you can say a break of the structure as well. Market has been creating lower high, 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 lower high. This kind of price action it has been doing, but just now it has disrupted this previous low. Yes, you can say that um locally market has went down as well, some of the lows too, but still continue to be bullish. But you cannot deny this could be our break of the structure as well, because we have disrupted the previous low. As we have disrupted the previous low, we could be continue to be bearish from here. We can anticipate 4 hour time frame or daily high, 4 hour time frame gap low, and also maybe continuation toward low levels, all of those lows, this last week low as well. But we cannot deny the fact that the previous major low for me right now, if you go to 4 hour time frame, is this one. The previous major low on 4 hour time frame is this one. Could be coming down all the way, knocking this low as well, holding this area. As long as we're trading above this low, we still could be bullish as well from here to whatever side. So quite a bit of possibilities. um Bullish, bearish, could go up, then go down, could go down, then go up. Not sure which way it could go from here. In a confusion. So whenever you're in a confusion, you have to try your best to stay away from charts. Just watching and observing the charts. That's it. And this is what we will be trying to do on charts. Like, um, I wanted to know where is the previous 4 hour time frame low, which is at it is 7,800 approximately. This one there. So as we have seen, market has do went down. It has disrupted these local lows. Let's see, continue to be bearish. to disrupt this low as well. It is 88 100 from here, 200 from here, and this daily high as well. Yeah. Whenever, yeah, this is what it is. Yesterday as well. Yesterday I made it so confusing, man. I was bullish, bearish on a market at a given time, given moment, and this is what you have to try to avoid. You should not have to be bullish and bearish on a market at once in at one time. You have to be just bullish or just bearish. Yeah. So we have seen, I have not seen, yeah, I have 15-minute time. I'm about to close as well. Like if we close on 15-minute like this, I don't know, man. We could be bullish as well. I'm anticipating or expecting from the market because we have seen a downside section just after the opening. Market do went down. We're trading at lower level of the 15-minute time frame fairly gap, and this 15-minute time frame is not really important. I'm anticipating, and we have left this low, just this low, anticipating market continue to be bearish to disrupt this low to the 4-hour time frame fairly gap low and daily high as well. 88k from here. We have always have two possibilities: continue to be aggressively bearish, or make a retest, then be bearish, or just reverse from here. If we have to be aggressively bearish from here, this is the fairly gap, which you have to keep it open. We have seen market fail to go above these highs as well, trade very close to these highs, and this is what I usually prefer to watch on charts. When at some point market really has to go down, it will trade way close to the certain highs or certain lows, just a penny of the difference maybe, and then it will never go below or above that high, and it will tends to go down from there, or tends to go up from there. And whenever I see these kind of candles, I am 100% confident that yeah, it is going to go up or go down. And I can see that from here. This candle, these two candles is already telling me the high of this candle is 499, and this candle is 498.6. This is higher than the previous one. It can go for a short, man. We have anticipated a short position in it. If we close like this, my stop loss will be about this high. So my stop loss will be above this high now. I'm looking for this previous low and this lows. Not trading this, but I cannot enter now. Cannot enter now. Yeah, I could have entered this one. This would have been a very good risk management trade. Risking just for something you can enter in here, and then yeah, this could have been a good risk management trade as well. Definitely, I cannot put my stop loss all the way in here. And I wanted to see right now. This is 10:03. Uh, Continue to be bearish. Give me all of those lows and 88K from here approximately. Yeah, I'll be not going for all the way to this low as well. I'll be just be content with this 88K from here. And it has to do this right now, man, because I'm already not confident in the way market has opened and then gone down on 15-minute time frame. The same thing on 30-minute time frame as well. The same, we have this hourly close as well. It has to really has to go down. It has to go down, and then this is the opening candle. This is the opening candle. I want to see how market open in this chart. Hmm. Should have to keep this value gap open. Can I go for a short? My stop loss will be above this initial. For I can go for sure. My initial stop loss I wanted to put above this high, but I have to contend with this for a second that it should have to keep this value gap open. 330 and the high of this candle is 450. You can trade. You can 450. You can go for a short, man. I should not have to spend much time inside this range, man. It should not have to spend some time inside this value gap. This is nice. Give me these three lows and this low. I can still go for a short in here. My stop loss will be above this high. When this candle close on the next candle. Let's watch and observe. I'm not pushing the button, man. I don't know. I do not feel like I have to push the button. Considering the way this opened, I'm not confident. Yes, we have taken demo trade. My stop loss should be above this high now. I'll be content with this market to be out from the market at this range. Should have to go down now. 388.6. If you consider, as we have anticipated a short in here, you should have to be at a break even now. You should have to be putting a stop loss above this high at a break even. Let the trade run. Look at this candle, man. It has to go down. Now your stop loss should be above this high, bro. You should have to be exiting the market at this range. I'm asking myself this question: should I have to go for a short? At this point, I was like, you can go for a short. Initial stop loss there. Then it went down. You put your stop loss there. Then it took a fairly gap. This created this high. You put your stop loss there. Then you have to stop loss there. This is not a bad trade. I would say that you cannot deny. If you can, if you enter in here in this range, look at this. Um, if you enter in here putting a stop loss there, this is already a 3 hour trade, a great trade. And then you are at break even in here. And look at this. And you can always anticipate that it could continue to be bearish from here. The only thing that is more for like telling me that this may not be a trade. The reason is the way it has opened on 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame. I was like, I'm not confident on the opening. No, I should. Sorry, I forgot to exit. I have to be exit now. I have to exit the charts now. I'm done with the trade. This is a great trade. I took on a demo. This is a demo trade. Initial stop loss. My initial stop loss was above this high. The video was creating these kind of candles, and I was like, bro, what is going down? At this point as well, I was like, bro, just put your stop loss above this high. Why would you not take this trade? I was asking for that. Why would you not take this trade? You enter a market in here, just putting a stop loss above this high. This is already a great trade, man. This is a 20-yard trade, man. Risking a penny. Why would you not take these kind of trades, man? So this trade do played out. So initial surplus was there. So we enter a market in here. So in that case scenario, we have taken a 5-hour trade. We close in here. 5-hour trade. A good trade. Good day trade, man. In those kind of days when market is really choppy and you have to out on the market right now, you will see after 5-10 minutes I will show you market is will go toward upside from here. You'll see. I'll show you. On a bigger picture time frame, I'm already anticipating this is my bottom because we have come back inside this 4-hour time fairly gap and hold this 4-hour time fairly gap low. And this is the last hour going on 4-hour time frame as well. And I'm already not confident the way market has opened on 15-minute, 30-minute time frame, 1-hour time frame as well. You'll see market will reverse from here. This is 10 o'clock candle. Just wanted to keep this low and wanted to keep this low. I'm keeping this low considering this is 4-hour time frame candle low. And this is 4-hour time fairly gap low as well and daily high as well. To anticipate if market has a potential to create a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then try to be hold this 4-hour time fairly gap low, try to be bullish. That's why I'm in that case scenario you should not have to go below this low. And on if you could see in 5-minute time frame, this is what I usually prefer to watch on market, which is what I usually prefer to watch on a market, which is not to go below the previous major lows or major highs, be bullish or bearish from those levels. If you could see in here, and on 15-minute time frame, you can anticipate if, for example, market has to create a lower high at this range. This is a 4-hour time frame fairly gap low. If market has to create lower high at this range, you can anticipate this could be our bottom on 15-minute time frame. And why market has to be bullish at the reason from here, the reason is this is the 4-hour time frame fair value gap low. It should have to hold this area and we are not confident on the way market has opened on 30-minute time frame, 1-hour time frame. In that case scenario, I am on anticipating on 5 minute time frame and 15-minute time frame. If market not to go below this low, then try to be bullish on here. This was a great trade, man. This is a great trade. Look at this. When it created these highs in here, I was like, bro, these kind of highs I usually prefer to watch on market. If you could see just this kind of high, look at this. Further going down. We don't need these now for now. Maybe it has to disrupt all of those lows as well until the last week low as well. It is 7,500. 50 is also possible. And this is also 4 hour time really gap. As we're going down, we have two possibilities. Maybe we could hold the area, remain sideways, choppy, or maybe continue to be bearish to disrupt all of those lows. 87,500. This is what you can anticipate. And this is what it is I'm anticipating right now. 5 minute time frame fairly gap, 5 minute time frame fairly gap in there. This is my top. This and then be bearish from here. Let's see how this candle closes. Can I go for a short? Suppose it will be above this 125. I'm anticipating we should have to keep this value open. You can anticipate 187,500 from here. If this would have been a bottom, it would have aggressively gone up. I don't think so. This is a bottom. I'm anticipating it should have to keep this 5 minute time frame fill gap. If it is aggressively bearish, after that we have this high, that high. Should not have to go over this high, be bearish from here. Knocking all of those lows, 87,500. No way, man. Should have to enter here. So guys, I'm not saying anything. I have anticipated another short. We always have two possibilities: aggressive bearish price action, or right now this is going down. So right now I'm anticipating aggressive bearish price action or make a retest that go down. So far, this is was the 5 minute time frame fairly gap we have created. Just after the opening, we went down. We disrupt this low. After that, we have this low, all of those local lows, and this last week low as well in play. This is what it is I'm anticipating or expecting from the market to do right now. If it has to be aggressively bearish, if it has to keep this 5 minute time frame fairly gap open, and if we go to 3 minute time frame, after this high, we have this high. On 1 minute time frame, we have created high low in here. My stop loss is above this high. This is the fair value gap we have on 1 minute time frame. I am anticipating from this range. If it has to be aggressively bearish, this is what I usually prefer to watch on charts. it should have to respect this. It would have just tapped inside this range, then go down. But so far, it is have to be leery, man. It says 10:27, 10:28. I'm anticipating if it has a potential to. You can just anticipate this low. 87, 700, 600, 500. You can, because this is the 4 hour really gap as well. Can I go for short? My stop loss will be above this hour. I'm going for another short. My stop loss is just about this. This is a trade on demo. Can I go for a short, man? 88,032.8. Risking 2.9%, man. So we have entered in here. We've entered in here. My stop loss, initial stop loss, I wanted to put above this high. Um, at least it should have to. I would say should have to come back inside this 4 hour time frame gap. This 500, 600, 600, 700, maybe 500. I think I should have to be content with this, man. So I'm out. So yeah, we've taken a trade in here. Short initial stop loss was there. Was risking 2.9%. Entering here because I have to be content with this because this is a 4 hour time frame fairly gap. You cannot anticipate that it should have to fail at this 4 hour time frame fairly gap. Yes, we go to if we go to 1 hour time frame, we have all of those lows quite close to each other. Could be the reason for the market to be bearish. You cannot deny this. but I have to be content considering this is a 4 out of fair value gap. We don't need to fill this fair value gap. Could just come back inside this range. That's why we have to be content with this. Now on demo trade, I wanted to take something out. I wanted to take 4 out from here, man. Oh, 4 on demo as well. I have taken 4 out from here already. So we do anticipate all the win here. Yes, you can anticipate a bigger picture time from level, bigger targets, but you have to be content with this that market don't needs to do what you are anticipating now. Yes, I'm still anticipating it because I'm not really confident on all of those lows now. And this is the only logical level I can see last week low. And this is the 4 hour time frame fairly gap low as well, we can say in here. So we can anticipate could go down there and there to just these levels. But if you go to a daily time frame, there's anything in here, I would if you try to have a look on, there's nothing really like on here on daily time frame. Just this is a weekly low we have a couple of weeks ago. This is not a last week low, this is a weekly low. Yeah, so this is the only logical level, and this is also the 4 hour time frame fairly gap low, high, low as well. So this is the only logical level you can anticipate it could go down into as it is going down. But you have to be content with the price action taking your profit out from the market, because this these lows are the 4 hour time frame fairly gap lows as well in play. So you have to be watching and observing each and individual uh, every kind of price action on charts, man. I'm content with this, man. I have to be I wanted to be out from on a demo as well. We have taken 2 trades already on demo. Both of them do played out, so don't need to push buttons irrationally. Don't need this. Don't need this as well too. These kind of trading days, you would be prefer to be trading, man. One sided going down. What is it you are looking for? Going for a shot. This is easy when you are when you know that what market could do today. Could be bullish or bearish. When it is confusing, when you don't know, when it is like, and then at some point you'll be like, no way. Because a couple of days ago, yesterday was confusing, pretty much confusing price action. Initially, just after the opening, we missed a trade, and then yeah. Look at this. Look at this man. Like, how would you feel at this point? You have gone for a shot in here. We should go for a shot in here, and we did not close your position. You are looking for 87,500. Why would you not take your profit at this range, or maybe out from the market at this range, considering the target you are anticipating may not played out? Why would you not do that? And how would you feel right now, like at this point, considering this for? And why would you not keep an eye on these bigger picture time frame levels, man? Why would you not keep an eye on these bigger picture time frame levels, 4 hour time frame levels? This is, this is a 4 hour time frame fairly gap. Yes, we have all of those lows, but oh, my window is open. It's great in here, by the way. My new room. I do not have a camera. If I could show you, but um, it's good. It's good. Nice, like you can say, upgrade. Yeah, and the good thing is like I can see the sun whole day. So the like my desk is in a direction toward the sun, like from east to west. Whole day when it has to shine, it has to go from east to west. From east to west, it has to all the way uh, revolve in front of my eyes, sitting in front of the desk, and it is great. We could hardly see a sun in London, man, in UK. Even though if you will have you'll see sun, but it is cold outside. Temperature is cold, way too cold, man. I just today I just went out to take my bike to I got flat tire to take my bike out, and I was like driving, and my feet, oh my god, was feeling cold and cold. The temperature, I didn't check the temperature. Temperature is it was freezing like early in the morning with you can say temperature is 3 right now. Sun is out. Tomorrow it will be -1 to 5, -1, -2. Sunday -4, Monday -4, Tuesday -4. So it will be like this for the whole month of January, February. You'll see, because it's like that. It's, but So guys, I'm not saying anything right now. To do some couple of stuffs. We'll finish from then be back. Mm, the right now I'm not anticipating anything. Even not anticipating anything. You can only anticipate one price action right now, which is bearish, and it did not even needs to be bearish because maybe it has to just come down inside this tab inside this 4 hour time frame gap. That's it. And this 4 hour time frame, maybe it could close inside this 4 hour time frame gap now, and then trading coming back inside this 4 hour time frame gap. We could remain sideways or choppy or maybe bullish as well, which is also possible. We cannot deny. And yeah, this is what you can anticipate from the market on 4 hour time frame, maybe on bigger picture. In that case scenario, we have this 10:46 now going on. We have to be in front of the charts because we have this afternoon session as well going coming up. Yeah, I just have to do a couple of things, which is I have to say prayer. I have to check the time. Which prayer is it? I have to pray. 1:45 for it's 3:50 50 46. If I could just go up now, I can say Asr prayer and then Maghrib is at 4 p.m. And yeah, to do wudu. It will take just a minute to do wudu. And I can do this. Oh my god, I was doing one more thing. And yeah, I just have to say prayer. And then we will be back in front of the charts for the afternoon session as well. It's a lot of things like really do come. If we talk about like, I just moved from to a new room. Like it's near to my previous house. I live with my family. Used to live with my family, my sister and my cousins. We have like family, all of them. Everybody's good, but I do not want to say it like that. But at some point in life, you have to like move on. You have to think like about yourself. What is it you have to do? What is it you um have to chase? All that stuff. So yeah, I have to take this step, man. It took me a 1 month to decide actually what I have to be doing. Should I have to change, not change? Really, 1 month. When I got to know that there's a room available, which is one of my friend's room, he told me to come very next day. You can come here very next day. I was like, bro, I need some time. I just initially I tell him that yeah, I'm coming, but I realized it's a very quick decision, man. You have to think about like everything, um, moving out, not moving out, and there are a couple of people in my family like who clown literally and never listen to them. They always told me to do this, do that, and I never listen to them. And they always think like I am the stupidest, the stupid person in this world. And I was like, bro, no way happening now. If they think I'm stupid, I don't care. It is my life. I feel like I have to take this step, and I have taken this step. That's it. I am taking this step because I have to. At some point in life, I have to. Why don't right now? Yes, it could be difficult because I have to be thinking about my cooking because nobody will be here for me when I'll be feeling sick or down, something like that. But this is life, man. That's how it is. You have come by yourself alone, and you have to go by yourself alone. And that's how it is. Um, and there was couple of things. I From day one, I was living with them, but I actually wanted to move. Considering the attitude of people who was living with me over there, like I realized this within a month, man, bro. Not spending with them, living with them for the rest of my life. No way happening. For a couple of years, like I was thinking, but I move on, bro. Look for a room, move on. And now I found this opportunity. Even though initially I said say yes to my friend, but after that I said no to him. I was like, bro, difficult. Then this thing still stuck in my mind, bro. Take the step, man. What if the max will happen? You have to take this step for yourself, especially because you will find new people, you will meet new people. I like to be around with those people who wants to achieve something in their life. I feel so bad being around with these kind of people, like just talk irrational stuffs, and they hardly give me anything in reality, bro. And if you do not talk to them, they will complain, oh, you don't talk, you don't sit with us. So, but what should I be talking, man? And every next day there's something happening to their house. Like, yes, it is my family, a big family. Something is coming up. Oh, this guy is coming up for a visit to us. We have to go downstairs. I'm doing my stuff, like I'm doing trading. Oh, this guy is visiting us. You have to left. You come out from your room. You always stay inside your room. You have to come out from your room, and then you have to meet with them, stay with them. Well, I have to be in front of the charts, which is the most important thing to me, man. Uh, and yeah, so these are the reasons, man. Like I was like, bro, I have to move on, man. I have to move on. So Kula is straight in here, man. So literally, sun will rise away from east, will stay in front of me for a whole day toward the west. It is nice when because it's winter and it's in summer, it will be hot too. So guys, I have to go for prayer. Um, I'm not going out from charts. Yes, we'll be coming back for afternoon session. We'll be watching and observing afternoon session. I'm not finishing this live stream, but we'll take a break for like 10-15 minutes and then we'll be back because I have to do prayer and then quickly we'll be back. Don't want to miss the prayer, man. After 10 minutes is fine. Again, I have to go at 4 o'clock as well because I have to do say prayer. So yeah, the only thing we can anticipate, okay, you can anticipate what could happen uh in the afternoon session, which is you should have to. If we go to 4 hour time frame as we're just discussing right now, we have 5 minutes left. If we close below this 4 hour time frame gap, I will be bearish on next 4 hour time frame looking for this previous low and this weekly favorable gap, weekly low. I'll be anticipating try to fail this favorable gap. If we close inside this low, I will be anticipating this is my bottom. If this is my bottom, if you go to 15-minute time frame, I will be anticipating this is my bottom. Coming back inside the range. If you come back inside the range, I will be pretty much in confusion that it is unlikely to me could be aggressively bullish, but it could remain choppy and sideways. So if we close bearish below, I will be leaning bearish on charts. If we go to just 1 minute time, do you think this could be our bottom? I want to share something as well with you. There's one more thing I want to share with you guys. This is not personal stuff, but it is very important. I'm giving you life's lessons, man. You have to be thankful to me. Giving everything free, especially for free, and nobody's watching me. That's fine, but I have to give you. I wanted to keep this 5 minute time frame. Which is not really important. If it has to be bearish, that's why. So guys, I'll be back after 10 minutes. I'll see you guys. Hello guys, we are back. So I'll quickly remove this one. Let me check if you guys could hear me. Hello? Yeah, I think so. You should hear me. You should hear me, man. You guys should have to hear me, man. Where is it? Should have to get to hear me. Oh no. Yep. So yeah, this is how it is. So yeah, before we went back, I was just telling you guys this 4 hour time frame. If we close inside, will be bullish, but if we close downward side on this 4 hour time frame, I want you to see market should have to fill this favorably gap to this last week low. This is the only logical level I can see that we can anticipate could market go down into. And if you go to daily time frame in here, we have seen and that this is the point of control of the range. It is 6,800, and we have seen yesterday market to get the bounce from here. To anticipate or expect from, this is what I was thinking about, like to anticipate or expect from the market to coming back down to yesterday low, all of those lows, which is may not, which is unlikely, because this is a point of control of the range. And just yesterday we have created lower high, then got the bounce. So the only after that, after this low, the only possible level or logical level to me is this low, or maybe above these lows inside at this range. And possible level of support could be, for example, could be 87,500, could be, or 87,500 to 200, or 87.5 to 87k from here. This is the only logical level I can anticipate from the market, that market could hold right now if it has to not to go below its low. And for me, this is unlikely that it could be going down to this, knock these lows. It is most probably likely that it could be doing like this in here. This is highly likely. Maybe it could become come down all the way this low as well. So I'll be anticipating, if it, even though if it come down, I will be anticipating this is my bottom. Market gave me a lower high. I'll be maybe looking for local highs to be knocked off at this range, or if it failed to go down below this low, definitely we will remain sideways or choppy at this range on charts, if we could see in here. And yeah, this is for now. I'm watching and observing at the moment. And if you go all the way, so for example, right now this is a 4 hour time frame, new 4 hour time frame, and we have this 1112. And what do you think this 4 hour time frame candle market could perform as we have closed below this 4 hour time frame for value gap low? Shit, man, this should have a lock, man, somewhere. As we are trading inside this 4 hour time frame, closed below this 4 hour time frame. Sorry guys, just give me a minute, I have to lock my door. So yeah, um, as we just watch out the market on a bigger picture time frame, like where we could go on this 4 hour time frame, we have this afternoon session as well. It's 11:14, just 11:14. It's 4:14 in London time, and I can see that this 4 hour time frame, as we have closed below, we could be bearish to fill this 4 hour time frame value gap, which is this last week low as well, 87,500. This is what you can anticipate. Could possible go up, show rejection from this range, then go down, or could go down from here as well. Toward this is the only possible or logical level or logical anticipation you can do on a market in this afternoon session, which is coming up. This is 11:30, from 11:30 to 1:30 p.m. And we on 1 hour time frame, we have all of those lows. I'm already not confident on this low. I'm already not confident on. And if you go to just shorter term time frame as well, I'm already not confident on this previous low as we are going down. And I want to see 5 minute time frame. So 5 minute time frame, we have already kept this 5 minute time frame value gap open. This is still open till now, and we don't need this for now. And I wanted to highlight this for a second in here. So this was this 5 minute time frame fair value gap. We have higher low, we have gone down. So I will be anticipating. Where is this 15 minute? There should be something in 15 minutes. So we have this very small amount of 15 minute fair value gap as well. So this is also 15 minute time frame high as well. So if, for example, we have to make a, we have to always have two possibilities. So as long as we're trading below this high, which is this 5 minute time frame high, 15 minute time frame high as well. This is 5 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame fair value gap as well. So if it has to be aggressively bearish, I'm anticipating not to go above this high. This is my top. Give me higher low at this range. Try to be bearish to disrupt these lows and this area on charts. This is what I will be looking for in this afternoon session. If it has to go down, and if you go to just on a bigger picture time frame, 1 hour time frame, could go up. This is daily high and low of the 4 hour time frame. Could go all the way in here as well, 88k. And this is 30 minute time frame fairly gap as well. It will be great if market keep this 30 minute time frame gap open, which is 88k. 15 minute time frame, we have just seen that. So yeah, so just anticipating this right now. I'm just anticipating one possibility right now. My top is defined. I'm anticipating this is my top. My target is defined, this one, but going for a short in here, putting stop loss above this high, not really confident on. And also, I'm just anticipating this could be my top until this is not sure yet. So I have to make sure if this is my top. That's why I have to be watching and observing now. Look at this on 15-minute time frame as well. Should not have to go above this high, by the way. Yeah. 30-minute time frame should have to keep this 30-minute time frame failure gap open, which will be great. We can anticipate it could go down to 400 as well. This is the failure gap. So for just watching and observing, so just watching. I can see that, bro. This is an old PC, man. If I show you, I don't need to show you, by the way, but if you go to properties, because this is what I was just thinking about yesterday, man. Oh, my laptop is old. It is 2015 model I'm using, and sometimes it's so slow. And this PC, Core i5, 64-bit, 8 GB. And we have this Core i9s going on with graphic card, NVIDIA graphic card going on. The latest PC going on, supercomputer is coming up, and I'm just using this PC. It is doing the work, man. But I never forgot, never forgot those things like my first bike. Oh my god, man! It was 1998 model, and I was using it 2017, 16. I used to go to college on that, and I used to feel embarrassed going to college on that bike. And I used to go on a bicycle to my college, and oh my god, my bicycle was worse. I used to feel embarrassed. But that bike never and ever in my life has betrayed me once. There was so many difficult times. It ran out of petrol. I put water inside it, and it was working. Start on a first kick. Man, never forgot that bike, man. So it has that was a good time. That it has given me like in that difficult time I spent on that bike. Oh, should be watching the charts, man. Oh, look at this high low again. Look at this 5 minute time frame close. Now I'm anticipating this is my top. If this is my top, this is a failure gap. I want to see it. It will be great if market keep this open. Can I anticipate? You can anticipate a short position in here. If this is my top, this is the failure gap we have seen. This is already failure gap. It has kept it open. Inverted this failure gap as well. I want to see it should have to keep just tab inside this failure gap, but keeping it open will be great. My stop loss will be above this candle. We are looking for these lows. Not confident on this low, not confident on a couple of lows over there. In here, Look at this 15-minute time frame as well. It is 11:24. Look at this. Yeah, give me 87,500 now. If I would have gone for a short in here, I will kept my stop loss for now in here. Not do not want to put my stop loss above this. I quite aggressively. Just wanted to see the price action. The only caveat to this is like this would have done really gap in here. You have to be content with this that today is not a pretty much ideal trading day as well, because yeah, yes, it is going down. It is not a bad day by the way, but overall market condition is overall, if we could say in here, you have to be content with this. Overall market condition is sideways chop, these daily candles, if you could see in here. In that case scenario, if you have taken a trade, positive day going on, don't rush, man. Don't need to rush. Don't need to rush, man. Don't need to rush for another trade. Look at this. I would have stopped out in here. Look at this. I was looking for 87,500, but did not went down. I would have stopped out in here. So this anticipation went wrong. Now I have to believe it, man. This is 11:27 now. Just 11:27. have to be leery right now, bro, because I'll be anticipating in this afternoon session it will try to fill this viral gap. After that, it may remain choppy. Maybe it has to not to do this. Maybe it has to not to fill this 4 out of 5 value gap now. Just went up, then sideways. This is also possible. We don't need this, man. There's a couple of things I really want to discuss right now, man. Which is yeah, we can discuss right now, but yeah, keeping an eye on charts. Keeping an eye on charts. And this is 15-minute time frame, so I will do this in a blue. So yeah, still this is my top. After that, this is my top. I wanted to go to 5-minute time frame. We need this candle in here, like this one. So yeah, still these are my top on charts, and I'm anticipating market not to go above this high because we are going down. 4 hour time frame, we have closed below this 4 hour time frame gap low. I wanted to see on this 4 hour time frame candle market try to fill this value gap. Okay, and on 1 hour time frame as well, try to knock all of those lows and this last week low, and on 30-minute time frame as well, go down, knock all of those lows, this try to fill this 30-minute time frame value gap. We have to keep in mind as well, we have this 15-minute time. Look at this. This is a 15-minute time frame close as well, and also this the 30-minute time frame close as well. And there's one more thing I really wanted to see right now, because we're going down. Is this low low, high low, low low, high low? Just wanted to show you one thing. My this is what I prefer to trade. So low low, low lows, high lows on our side. Another low low, another high low. Oops, what is it? Another high low. So this is bearish, sorry, what is it? Bullish divergence, you can say. High low on RSI, low low on price action. Yeah, and where is the previous high on charts? This is bullish divergence. Yeah, we just know. And I want to trade invalid bullish divergence right now, considering we have seen after making a low, we do get the bounce. The previous high, this is 1 minute time frame, it may not play it out. I usually prefer to watch on this kind of price action on 5-minute time frame. On 5-minute time frame, really have nothing. Have to be leery. And what is it? So lower lows, forming lower lows on charts in here, and RSI is higher low, bullish divergence. The previous 1 minute time frame high is this one, which is also 5-minute time frame high as well, which is also 15-minute time frame high as well, which is this one. We have kept this 15-minute time frame fairly gap open. On 4-hour time frame, we are already bearish. We are already anticipating from the market to be coming back down to fill this fairly gap. Maybe come back down to this low, not to go below this low. Maybe come back down inside this range, 87 to 87.5k of the range, 87 to 100, 300, any of the ranges. Okay, and 1 hour time frame as well. And this is this bullish divergence we have seen. And on 1 minute time frame, previous high is this one. We have seen after making a low, we do get the bounce. Okay, making a low, but it failed to go above the this high, which is this previous 1 minute time frame high, and which is a sign that this bullish divergence is invalid, and it is highly likely we could continue to be bearish from here to knock the previous low, continue to be bearish. Now, how this is what we have to anticipate not right now. Like either way, we could be going down from here like that, or maybe creating lower high, go up, higher low, then go down. And this is what it is we have to anticipate now. Oh, it just went down. Look at this. So if these are our top on charts, it has already inverted this fair value gap. This could be a stop loss. Now, if this is our stop loss, give me this low, give me this area, and it could give us 87k as well from here, 87 200, 87k as well from here. If it failed to go down below this low to get the bounce, trading below this high, I will be still bearish, looking for rejection, then going down. So yeah, a lot of things I really wanted to discuss with you guys. Like it is compared to like my own personal life, I should not be discussing. But maybe I think so. I should be discussing. I don't know. I feel like I because there's nobody around me like really who I am with like really wanted to trust and then share my everything. This is what I feel like, bro. You need that person in your life, like a partner. I would say that. And that's what I was like, bro. I'm down to be in a relationship. I hope I find somebody. So far it is going down. You can anticipate that like we look for a short or stop loss above this high. We are looking for just this projection. I'm not taking this trade. I'm not even taking on a demo as well, but I just anticipating because I have to be leery right now. Trading the market, not at all ideal trading days going on. Whatever you have done, you have to be content with this. And this is way too far. And yeah, that's it. I have to need something in it. Yeah, so yeah, a lot of things are in my mind going on right now. So first of all is why I moved to this place where I am right now, new house. Like I was just discussing with you guys previously. There was a lot of reasons. I always wanted to move on from that house, from those people, from day one. The kind of mentality they have, the kind of people they are. I had to be living my life like that. From day one, I wanted to move on. Just I realized this within a couple of months living with them. I'm done with living with them. At some point, I remember that was my first year here in UK. I was like, bro, I am going out now. Even the, either way, I'm going to Pakistan, back to my country, or switching to a new house. Can't live with them. Somehow still stuck with them. Somehow still stuck with them. Was always looking forward to I have to move out, man. I cannot live with them for my life. Yes, they are my family, but you live with your parents always? No. You live with your sisters or rest of your life? No. Some point in life you have to move on, man. At some point in life when you have different priorities, you have a partner, you have want to live your own life, like, and your sisters, your brothers, they have to want to live their own life. So you have to move on. And yeah, I was from day one. I was known. I'm done. Back in my country, I used to live alone, live by myself. I live 2019 COVID to 2023 January. I came here to UK. So for like 20, 21, 22, 20, yeah, 22. So 3 years. Live by myself. I was living by myself at my home and then was traveling to Lahore, other city, living with people. And from there as well, I was like, bro, I'm just living with them, bro. I'm not staying with them for the rest of my life. And yeah, because I love to move on, man. I love to move on in my life. Watching new people, going to different places, meeting new people, seeing new faces. I love to do that. Like, I love to do that. I can't waste it. Especially I hate to be in that place around with those people who have nothing to do in their lives. Like they're just living, they're just surviving. That's it. Every job I worked in, every house I live in, every friend I have. If you're that kind of person, you have nothing to do in your life. You complain about everything. So this is good cross section going on. By the way, you cannot blame that. Yes, it is slow, but it is just 12:42. We cannot deny. You have nothing to do in your life. You have no goals, no purpose. I'm out, man. I'm really out from your friendship. I don't want to be your friend, man. Yes, I'll be saying hello to you. Yes, I'll be saying hi to you. But yeah, but if you have nothing to do in your life, you have not achieved anything, you wanted to achieve anything, or you're not doing anything, you're chasing. So this is good, by the way. This is good. It was just waiting in here like I was. Can you go for a shot? Just went now. Now, you have to be content with this, man. You have to look to be out from the jaws. So look at this so far. This kind of raise. This is easy trading day, man. This is easy trading day. Just going down, and if you could see in here, considering just the way it has gone down just after the opening, that's why. But overall, it is not going down. Just yesterday, it just went up. I was bullish in here, just went down. I was like, it at this point, I was like, could be bearish for all of those lows, went up. Just so slow, so choppy. Initially, I missed this trade, by the way, just after the opening. Just missed this trade. After that did not even touch the market. Man. After one session, did not even touch. I was mentally yesterday. I was mentally off from charts, man. And and when I'm like that, I was like, bro, not pushing the buttons, man. Not pushing the buttons irrationally. Because you got to know yourself. Not in that mental state. I was not focused at all. I was in hindsight yesterday, whole day. Wasted my whole day. Missed a very good trade in here. Bro, no way happening this in forever in my life from now on. And I was focusing on irrational things. So yeah, moving on to the new house means What it means to me that I have moved to the new house. It 600, man. Do you think it is possible? It could go now. Now. Do you think it is possible? If it is come down, it has to disrupt all of those laws, man. Do you think it is 600? Which is not far. Cannot deny, not far. In that case scenario, you should have to just create a wick inside this 1 minute time frame. Yeah. We'll discuss everything later, but just anticipating if we have a potential to go to 86 6k, but if we go to 86 6k, we have to go down to disrupt all of those laws, man. But we are I'm also pretty much in content with this as well. This is the point of control of the range. The element of time is there. We can go down. What is this chart, man? Oh yeah, it's just 11 feet 46. So this is also a point of control around 1c4 order. Yeah, it is 7 400 500. Never time making these kind. I remember, man. I remember I wasted my whole 4 years of uni, which I always dream of, like to living, to study in a big university, the top university, to dream university. I wanted to study in there. Got the admission, passed the test, got that admission. They called me for interview. I just have to take my documents and then tell them, oh, I'm the legit guy. And I was on a list as well to top university I always wanted to study on, but these people always held myself. These people always did not let me to to do what I always wanted to do, live my life the way I wanted to live. Especially that there was especially my dad. He always pushed me toward all of those people who have nothing to do with me, especially. And he also don't know. It is not his fault, but especially the person who was like, I will never, man, I will never forgive you, man, for no reason. There's no point in my life I will ever be talking to you. He was this, oh, I'm your friend, I'll be there for you for every thick and thin, no worries. I was kid at that point. I was kid at that point. I was kid at that point, man. And I was kid at that point, man. Was not known like this guy making use of me, pushing me to held back. I did not realize. I realized after through 2 3 months, and that point I was about to finish uni. Hate finishing that degree. Hate going to go to that uni for even a second of my time. And in a fourth year after COVID as well, I was like, I'm done with this uni. I'm done with this. No way studying on finishing this degree. I'm done studying on this uni. I don't care. 3 years spent. That's it. And then these people out do that. Finish this 1 year left. Just have to do nothing. just just finish the degree. That's it. And because these people are still pushing me on, do this, do that, do this, and then coming back in the UK as well. I was like, bro, not at all fucking interested on these kind of studies, man. Hardly get the passing marks. Failed on two subjects. Get into resit. Then pass that. Just get the passing marks because I wanted to have my next visa. Fucking visa, and I pay fucking 15K for the degree which has nothing to do in my life. Sorry guys, I'm getting emotional and so you have to be content with this. You have gone for a shot in here. You have to be out in here. That's it. Why we go for a shot in here? We was bearish already. 15 minute time frame, like keeping it open. This was this 15 minute time frame high. This is also the 15 minute time frame high as well. We have seen that high low. We anticipate this is our top. This is 5 minute time frame top as well. If this is our top, we go to shorter term time frame. We show rejection from this range. Come back, invert this fairly gap. Invert this fairly gap. Create a wick. It was trading on this candle. I was like, you can go for short putting stop loss above this high. We will be looking for this low and last week low. That's it. We anticipate a short position, putting a stop loss above this high. Went for did not take this trade. Did not even take a demo trade on this one as well. Go for a short, take profit. So now these are the same people. Like these are the same people. Like now I'm at that stage in my life. Like they are still. Oh, you have now never done this. You have never listened to us. You're always like this. You do this, do this. I told you this because I'm saying this to you. Do this. No reason. I'm not fucking care. I do not fucking care about those people. Whatever you say. This is my life, man. If I made a wrong decision in my life, it is me who has to be here. And I wanted to take a decision of my life. That's it. I don't want to ask you to give me advices because everybody wants to have different life. And I did not feel to regret later on in my life. Like why I did not listen to myself. Why I listened to. I give a fuck about these people. I want to do what I want to do. That's why I moved this. Well, I'm out. I'm out, man. I was always out, man. So I was just my body was there, my soul was not there. Now my body is also out. You'll see me. Just get to know me on social media, what I'm doing. That's it. It's um it's 11:54 now. we was discussing right now at this point. We're just discussing we could be just going down to fill this 4 hour time for value gap. And as we have got the bounce on the point of control of the range, we can anticipate trading close to those lows, creating lower high. Creating lower high means we could go up. If we could go up, these are the previous highs. It is unlikely for the market to be aggressively bullish. So in that case scenario, it is possible that we could remain sideways and choppy at this range, which is likely. So the other advantage, the most important advantage I have moving to this house is I have nothing to do with those people who always expect from me to give them my time. Do you get me? No. So for example, so staying with them, or they would expect me to do this cleaning, do this cleaning. For example, or some this. So and in a family, somebody is visiting us, give us this room, shift to another room, sleep there. Fucking. And while I'm in front of the charts, I have to be watching the charts. Oh, this guy's visiting us. Come downstairs, meet with him, sit with him. Fuck you, no way. Oh, I hate to watch movies. I hate to watch movies. Oh, the guy's here. He's my brother-in-law. He wants to watch movie. Oh, call me. Where are you? At room. What are you doing? Nothing. While I'm in front of this, I have to be trading. I cannot tell them. I cannot tell them I'm doing trading or all that. These will people clown people ask me a lot of questions. What trading? How is it going on? What is it? How are you making money? Fuck you. And I can not tell them I'm trading. I'm free. Only of you, I'm free. Oh, okay. I'm here. We'll be watching movie. Come downstairs. Fuck you. I don't do that. I hate to watch movies. I've done this three, four, 5 times, man. I did not want to do it because I was just staying with them. They know I'm free. That's it. And that's why I like do this because I said this to you. It is my and if I would not do that, they would all explain, oh, you don't listen to us, you don't do this, you don't do this because you're like that. This is the main reason, man. My time is my time. My time is my time, man. My time is my time, man. I don't want to give you my time. So staying in here, they will call me, oh, where are you? Busy. Where are you busy now? This way busy. Or even though they will call me, I will not pick up the call. If I'm busy, I want to be in front of the charts trading. I will not pick up the call. Simple is it? If I'll be free, I'll pick up your call. My time is my time. I have to be cruel to my time. And this is the main reason as well. Still, my sister was still telling me, oh, don't go down. Our dad will be coming with us. He will be staying with us. You have to take care of your dad. I'm like, bro, I have to move. I just tell him I'm moving out. He said, it's okay, it's fine. It's your life. My life. That's it. Yeah, if I will have a time, I may go to the gym today. It is cold outside, but because yeah, tomorrow I have to. Yeah, tomorrow I will let you guys know if we can be able to do live stream. Not sure yet because maybe tomorrow I have to go to Nottingham to pick up my car around 2 3 p.m. In that case scenario, we may not be able to do live stream, and I have to finish this week have to do back and buy today. Tomorrow we'll be doing legs, and I'll be done with this week. Going to the gym. Maybe I go to the gym tonight. And this is the planning. And yeah, coming back, I have to go with my brother-in-law. So coming back from there, we may come back on Saturday. He wants to stay 2 nights. I was like, bro, I don't want to stay 2 nights, but he said, okay. Said, we have to stay 2 nights. We have to do some work. I was like, okay. At least I'll get my car too. There's a couple of things I really have to do right now. I have to check how to do parking stuff, man. To check on here. How to do parking in Twickenham, man. How to I asked from this guy, but he's busy. How to apply for parking in uh, Twickenham. I don't know, man. Oh shit. No, man, not interested in us. To apply for Twickenham zone, which zone I am, man? I don't know. For resident firm of visit via their website, proving proof of address like VF, a V5 insurance online or by post, while Hanslow CPZ like zone CR for even. Let's try this one. For residents Richmond, but this is Richmond Borough, I think so. Visit London Borough of Richmond website resident. Create login. Providing proof. Upload digital copy of a vehicle. Both side motor insurance. Proof of address. Complete payment and by post as well. For visitor Richmond Borough. For Twickenham, even today. I don't know, man. I have to check everything. I have to check everything. Because I wanted to apply for the permit now. It says it created an upload digital copy of vehicle registration document V5C both side, motor insurance certificate, proof of address, council tax. This guy I have to ask him from him. How can I do this if he pick up? He's my friend. He's busy, man. I don't know. I don't know how to disturb him. I don't know. And you can post as well for parking. This is for visitor. Even day. Give it on shots. Look at this. The way we have closed in 1 hour time frame. I just know one thing. This is the point of control of the range. Point of control is not exact level. It could be range. So this is the low. Point of control could be in here. 87 to 87.23k from here. So if market to come down, fail to go below this low, this is already a point of control of the range. We can anticipate a lower high and can look to anticipate a bottom and look for for the projection to go toward upward side to disrupt all of those local highs. You cannot anticipate this high, which is this one. You can just anticipate the local high, all of those local highs. That's it. You don't need this for now. We don't even need this as well. And you can keep this low. This is this low. This is the thing. If I have to go to the gym, I have to go now. I have to come back early, and then have to have my dinner early, sleep early, wake up early. Yeah, yeah. This is how it is. So a couple of things I really have to do right now. This is why it is taking so much time to load. This is how it says you can apply. The Hansler, I don't need Hansler. Controlled parking zone where promoter can park. For apply, renew, update your details. Partner for urgent application using your permit for legal guidance. This is upon which may apply for residence parking before you start. What happens next when you get your new permit? Okay. When you get new permit, this is what I want to see. It's a new permit, you will need to ensure the display. Okay. Well, let me read this. Okay, before you start the new application, do not complete this form if you wish to renew permit. I don't need update for details. Cancel. I don't need paper check now. You probably must be. You probably okay. Must. Oh, this he can only apply. Cannot apply. Okay, but must be usually what you need. You're eligible to have legal guidance, have proof of address, have to show you either own or authorized to drive the vehicle. You can say license, the vehicle registration number, color, and make of the you have a valid credit debit card to make payment. Okay. There is the proof of address. You have Richmond, you can like can link your council tax account. Council tax account use this to prove your you need to know your council tax account number. You can also upload a scanned digital copy of one of the council tax, current driving license, legal letter, vehicle ownership. Can upload a scanned digital copy of one of the. Oh my god, I think so. This process could take some time. Sending proof of false, submit your application and pay. This is the only thing we can do. Live reservoir can click on event zone only. I don't do this is permanent now. This is not the thing. Let me read this again. I don't read this is under need check eligibility. The need you need you're eligible to reactivate pro address to show you either you own or authorized to drive. It will prove to show you either own or authorized to drive a vehicle. Okay, you have a vehicle decision. Okay, make okay, you have a valid. Okay, proof address. If you have account, it will link, but current council tax. Upload document, current driving license. You can upload as well. Legal letter of completion valid 3 months. Moving a tenancy agreement. Oh, this is the agreement we need, man. Valid 3 months. Moving in. Utility bill as well. Accepted proof of vehicle ownership. So, game days. Yeah, what are the events? Because I have a visitor pass, but he's saying a visitor 20 December, 7 of February. Events at Twickenham India from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. These are the cards you're expecting. Massive crowd. Saturday, 20th of December, which is gone. 7th of February. This is the next one is February. Still 7th of February, 21 February, April. This is the legit side. This is something else, man. So even saying they're mostly Saturday, 20 December. See, this is gone. And so it's 5th of February, 21 of February, 11th of April, 22nd of May. So the time as well is like kickoff. Zone hours 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. on events days. 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Army versus Navy men and women match is okay. Premiership of England, Australia. So if we go to, I have a visa one, but the next event is coming to February. Well, still a month. Whole month of January I can use visitor pass, but within that month it is possible. So this is the thing only my landlord can do. He need a tenancy agreement valid 3 months from moving in. Proof of vehicle, and this is what I should do myself, by the way. Why I'm doing this live, man. It is just 12:14 now, man. We have still have time. You have to be watching the charts, man. Still, we're trading below those previous 15-minute time frame highs. Still, we have not gone above the previous 1-minute time frame highs. So let's focus on the market, man. This is 5-minute. So this is this 5-minute time frame fairly gap. Have to be in front of the charts at least 130, which is 615. Quite a bit of things I have to do, by the way. Still leaning bearish because we're going down. On 15-minute time frame, kept this open, kept this fair gap open. 30-minute time frame, keep this fair gap open. Still going down. I was anticipating it we could hold this area. So far, it is not holding this area. So we can anticipate all of those lows in here. 86.6k, 86k as well could be possible. Let's anticipate this. In that case scenario, should have to not to go above this high, not to go above this high, not to go above this high. It is 7,800, which is these highs. Not to go above this, not to go above this, not to go above this high. 88k, which is 87,900 as well. Leaning bearish. And if you could see on 1-minute time frame, not going above any of the previous 1-minute time frame high, which is already a sign. We just inverted this 5-minute time frame fairly gap. And this is the first time I can see we are trying to go above the previous 1-minute time frame high. I'm just anticipating it could be. Sorry guys, if you guys could hear me. Hello. Yeah. I'm just anticipating because we're going down, we could be bearish to this overall time frame fairly gap. I'm pretty much content with this as well. Afternoon session going on, choppy price action overall. 31st of December. Market just get the bounce from the point of control of the range yesterday. Went up. It don't needs to going down all the way to this low. Just created lower high, lower high, lower high yesterday. Could be creating another lower high. Get the bounce as well. And yeah, in that case scenario, you can anticipate a bottom at this range. Do you think this could be our bottom? Maybe. This is quite a roundabout digit as well. 87 to 20.5. I'll You can see in here low. It means low. I'll put in here 87 to 25.5. This could be our bottom. I'm anticipating this could be my bottom, considering the way 1 hour time frame close, considering the way 30-minute time frame close, 15-minute time frame it is like not seems to me, but yeah. Let's anticipate. This is my bottom on charts. I was just bearish, by the way. That's how you confuse the things yourself. So these are the highs that could market. It is possible market could knock all of those highs. 87 800, 87 900, 88, 88.3 and 2k. If we have to create a lower high, the way it is creating lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and considering that, if we have to create lower high, if we have to create lower high, then I'm anticipating this could be our bottom, my bottom, and we could be going up, disrupting local highs to the 488k from here. I'm asking myself, what do I have to look for right now? Considering the way we have closed on 30-minute time frame and 1 hour time frame in here, I'm anticipating this could be our bottom. 225, 3 or 50. If this is our bottom, we have already inverted this 5-minute time frame. Fairly gap closed above. That case scenario should not have to go below this low. Low is at 454. This one could be going up all of those highs. This is what I usually prefer to watch on market. So guys, I'm in a confusion right now. Should I have to be bullish or should I have to be bearish? We can be bullish considering already discussed. We have discussed everything. It has to get lower high. That's why. Mm, in that case scenario, you can anticipate this could be our bottom, and after that, this could be our low. We have already inverted this 5 minute time frame fairly gap. We could be going up, disrupting all of those local highs. This is my bottom, and if you could just watch out this price action, we're already going down. This is another high low. If you could see on 5 minute time frame, after 5 minute time frame highs, this is another high low. We could be going down, disrupting this low as well. Maybe it could go down, just disrupt those lows, then try to go to the upper side. Maybe could go to the upper side from here. Maybe continue to be bearish as well from here. Quite a bit of possibility as well. Let's see how this 15 minute time frame can close. If it closes like this, I'll be anticipating this is my bottom. I'm already anticipating this is my bottom. If it has to go up, I'm already anticipating this is my bottom. Where is this view at? If I look to buy in here, we'll be just looking for local highs. Maybe this area. It is 7,900. you could just see in here, guys. You cannot deny this could be our bottom. If this is a bottom, this is a low, this is a low, this is a low. Can I buy? We'll be looking for the previous highs, this one, all of those local highs. And yes, we do anticipate a bottom in this one. Market do went down, failed to go below this low. Gone up again, failed to go below the previous low. So this is the previous low now. Will you be buying in here? If we'll be just looking for local highs, and I'm already anticipating this could be our bottom one, considering 1 hour time from the way we close. 4 hour time frame, we still have time, but 30-minute time frame as well could be our bottom. Could be just looking for this previous high, 600, 800, 900, 88k. Or do you think like because it is still going down, could just go up, get another higher low, then continue to be bearish as well? Sorry guys, I'm not saying anything, but I'm just anticipating right now one thing, which is this low. If this low could be my bottom, and we cannot deny this, that we are already going down. This could be the high, this could be the high. After that, this could be the high. We could continue to be bearish from here, disrupting all of those lows, and maybe after knocking those lows, then try to be bullish, maybe continue to be bearish from here. I am anticipating this could be my bottom, considering the way 1 hour time frame close, and on overall bigger picture time frame, I'm already anticipating a lower high in here. This could be our lower high, bottom after those lower highs. And yeah, this may not be as well. This is also, considering this is also 4 hour time fair value gap, maybe it has to close, respect this fair value gap on 4 hour time frame. That's why we could be bullish, disrupting the previous local highs on charts. In that case scenario, this is my bottom, this is my low. You can anticipate this could be your bottom. Macro as well coming up, 1250. I'm anticipating this is my bottom, man. I wanted to buy. Supply is below this low, 509, 600. You can risk that. This is, you can risk that. All of those highs. Anticipating a long position in here. Stop loss just there. Looking for these highs, at least these highs. It can be 3 hour trade. If this is a bottom, this is a low, this is a low. How to, this is difficult trading because we are already overall bearish as well on charts. Not confident though it open. If it trade very close to this low, did not went down. Look at this candle, man. I wanted to buy. My stop loss is 545.6. Got stopped out, risking very small amount. I can't risk that. If this played out, this is a great 5 hour trade. It could go all the way to 88k as well from here. Pretty much confident that it should play it out. Previous 15-minute time from high is at 537, 600. And this is macro as well. Yeah, got stopped out in here, man. On this low. Yeah, it's not great up. You can cap this stop loss in here as well too. If it failed to go down below this low, we're looking to buy. Look at this, man. 529. Now it should have to go up. Could go all the way to 88k from here, man. Cannot deny. This macro as well. This is bad. This is bad. Oh, stopped out again, man. No way. It will be great if market just bullish from here. I don't want to close the position. Stopped out, stopped out. My stop loss is below this low. 529. Looking for 87, 800. May got stopped out. Not sure. I'm leaning bullish, by the way. At the moment, it's just a very small trade. It's not a big trade. Quick scalp, you can say. Already anticipating this is my bottom, man. I'm not going any of the previous 15-minute time frame candle low. It could be just. We could be going all the way to 88k from here. We could go all the way 88k from here. In seconds. I may be content with just in here. I need another coffee. Another coffee, man. I need another coffee. I can feel that. Look at this, the way it got the bounce, man. It's not stopped out. Luckily. Maybe could stop that now, but I don't know. Just wanted to see how it would play it out. Oh, I'm feeling cold now. Because this is not. So I've entered in here. My stop loss was below this wick. Stopped me out. When I was like, it went down, I was like, bro, if it failed to go down below this low, got the bounce, I'm buying. Just got the bounce, buy in here, stop loss below this low. Sinto went down, trade. Look at this trade very close to this low. I don't know yet. Still leaning bullish, anticipating this high, that high, that high, that high. We could be going all the way to 88k from here. I will be content with just in here, or just 1, 2, 3 hours. That's it. And I have to be content with this as well. This is already going down. You are trading against that trend, which is difficult trading. You should not be doing this. You have two possibilities now. Either way, I may be out from the charts now. If I got stopped out now, it means I've done nothing today. I've taken one trade. It was positive, other was negative. If I stopped out on this trade, it will be a break-even day for me. I'll be closing my charts. I'm not trading now. Oh, this is went down, went down, went up, went up. Now I can't. I do not want to close the chart. It's not really going up, but this is what it is telling me. To respected this fairly gap, by the way. It would have, if it has to go up, it would have already went up, man. Still, it could take its time to go up. It is also possible. This is a new 1 hour time frame candle as well. Start. New 30-minute time frame. New 15-minute time frame. So yeah, anticipating it should be bullish. Look at this low, man. These kind of price action I usually like to watch. But I may got stopped out, but I am just saying. On certain levels, on certain price action, when market has to be aggressively bearish or aggressively bullish, market should have to trade very close to the previous lows, very close to the previous highs, and not going up above, not going below the lows. In this case, trade very close to the previous low, did not went down. Trade very close to the previous low, did not went down. So keeping this trade in play. So this is a good, the way this candle closed, this is good candle. If it will be great if we close 5 minute time frame above this area. And I want to see aggressive bullish price action if it has to go up now. Should have to respect this 1 minute time frame fairly gap. If I got stopped out on this trade, I'll be done with the trading. And either way, if it went up, I'll be done in here. I'll be closing the charts, closing the live stream. I have to do a couple of calls. And yeah, I'm going to the gym. Yeah. You're going to the gym, a couple of calls. Yeah. Sharing something. Listen to music as well. So now, if close above 5 minute, 3, have a 5 minute, yeah. So now I wanted to see, give me this high, and I'm pretty much content with this as well. If you go to 5 minute time frame, we could be just going in here. We could be just knocking all of those highs, 88k from here, but I will be just content with 87, 800 maybe. Because this is the closest possible level I wanted to target, not more than that. So we have closed above on 5 minute time frame in here, which is good candle. So now tends to be bullish. Give me 87, 700, 87, 800. Please give me highs, man. Oh, should I have to just close now? Because market is very slow and choppy. Should have to respect this level, by the way. Should have to respect this level. Should have to set the TP and then close the charts. Set the stop loss. Played out, did not play that, did not play that. Twickenham Stadium, man. All the things I have to check now. And yeah, I have to upload a shot as well. Yeah, it will be great if I can be able to finish this stuff as well before I go to gym, which is to upload a shot. 100% charging, man. Oh, nice one, man. Look at this, man. Should have to close the charts. I have to close, man. I was just looking for this. I don't want to be greedy. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Uh, could have just held for in here, but I don't want to hold this trade. This is good throughout trade. Just held, just held. Even though, even though we took this trade in here, I was telling myself, bro, held this trade, held this trade. When it we stopped out on this trade and then went up in here, even though we come down, man, look at this. Look at this trade closed this level. These kind of projects I like to watch. I was like trading in here, man. I was like, bro, stopped me out, stopped me out. I don't I don't care. I want to hold this trade. Just held this trade. Was just looking for 87 8k. That's it. Done with this trading. 3 hour trade. So we have taken 3 trades. 2 positive, 1 negative. Overall a positive day. So yeah. So what I was looking into it. Yeah. I think I should have to finish this live stream, guys. We have enough time. We enjoyed a lot. I love to be in front of the jazz. I love to be doing live stream. Yeah. I'll try my best to improve my live stream. Yeah. Near term possible. Have to set some alerts in here. Let's set some alerts in here. We don't need this. We don't even. We don't need this. I'm keeping this one, and we don't need this. We don't need this as well too. I do not like my charts messy. My chart used to be messy as hell messy. But I learned myself the lesson. And the other one I wanted to be in here. I want to see how market will react to those levels. Yeah, I have to do a couple of things in here to upload a short. Right now I'll be uploading a short, and then what is it? Why is it taking too long? Then we'll be going to the gym straight away. Couple of calls, couple of things I have to do. I have to book a ticket for tomorrow. Tomorrow I may not be able to live stream. Maybe we are done with this week. I think so, because on Friday as well I'll be on Nottingham. May not be able to do the live stream, and yeah, maybe we will be doing live stream next on gym. Have to do will do research coming back from the gym. This is not important as well. I can, but I have to really have to do this one. Couple of things. This make up call. This is not important. Yeah, trading, learning some things. We'll see a video on something, and this is as well. We'll try to do. This is not important as well, but yeah, it's important for me right now to upload a short, and then after coming back from gym, we'll be doing some research on DeFi and these stuffs, and maybe on social media and YouTube channels as well, and also learning some video editing skill, car insurance, and then These kind of stuff I will be putting attention on, and will be sleeping early, waking up early. We'll see. We need these two things in here because I still have to talk to my friend what he's saying. These are events. So yeah, I'll see you guys if not tomorrow. Yeah, highly likely not tomorrow. If not tomorrow, I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye. I will update you guys on Twitter.